finished up the rear end here. Had replaced the seal for this axle on the passenger side. Now went ahead and put the quad shocks back in, and I got the rear sway bar on. So the rear end's pretty much done. I'm ready to start on the next projects, which is going to be the headers and the motor mounts. So instead of in the control arms here, so instead of jacking up the engine from the oil pan, which I've seen a number of people do, I want to use the engine hoist. So I picked one up from Harbor Freight, and so this video is just going to be the assembly of this engine hoist. So the supports are on there. Next thing I got to do is mount the arm of the boom, which is right here. And it's going to mount right up here like this, and then it'll stick out that way. Alright, so that's it. Wasn't too bad. So next up I got to put the engine left brackets on the engine. One of them's on there, but one's missing. So I picked up some spares. So we'll clean these up and paint them and get them on there, and then we'll be ready for the next project. One more thing, I wanted to show this thing collapsed with the arms folded up. It really fits in a pretty tight spot, I guess, considering how big it is when it's unfolded. Also, I'm going to put together a list of all the sockets and wrenches I used down in the summary. It seems like every nut and bolt was a different size. So I'll put that list in there so you can make sure you have everything before you buy this or before you start putting it together. Some of these are kind of big. This is a 15/16. This is 1 1/16. There's a whole variety there. So I'll put that down in the summary, and that's it.